Hello and welcome to the Oaks world. This episode will be in English and Thai. I'm going to serve 30 people omakase, and the last time I was a sushi chef was in 2016. This is me, a day before my birthday. But frankly, for my whole life, I always spend money on stupid birthday party like shit. And I have a better idea this year. Food is always something to gather people together. I have worked with a bunch of people on various projects, but I haven't got a chance to fully thank them. Sometimes we work together on budget and extra hours. My goal is just to feed them a nice meal the best way I could. And my name is Oak, like a tree, if you don't know me yet. And this is เป็นไก่ or แมวหอยหลอดด้วย
It's your birthday today. Happy birthday. Yay to the most amazing person in the universe.
Thank you, Google.
Birthday ได้ชี้
สำหรับนาคี
เผาละ6,000
Guess food ผักชีไม่มีแต่ผักชีแฮ่ตอนนี้เวลาประมาณ 9 นาฬิกา 50 กว่านาที คุณกำลังฟัง Oaks World ปกติผมจะฟังคลื่นนี้ตลอด แต่ไม่ได้แบบตั้งใจฟังเท่าไหร่ว่าเปิดเครื่อง แต่คือตอนสตาร์ทอาจจะเป็นคลื่นนี้ และเนี่ยคือเพลงแบบ favorite 2001 มันเปิดให้โดยบังเอิญวันเกิด Thank you Wow That's a pleasure. Thank you so much. Well, since I already bought some items last night at Tokyo Central Market, we're just dropping off some stuff at Specular. Then we headed from Hawthorne to Torrance to see Bull Quincy at Torrance Farmer Market. We got some musubi spam, we got veggies, we got more veggies, we got free veggies. People sharing some love. Thank you so much. Fresh Fuji apple, weird veggies. Oh my god, people are so kind and thank you. Welcome to the Oaks World.
ทีม
ปาร์ตี้ตลอด
ทุกปี
โอ้ยปีที่แล้วไม่ได้ปาร์ตี้ปีที่แล้วเพราะว่าโควิดแบบเกิน8คนนี่ทุกคนก็ผวาแต่ว่าปีที่แล้ว29บ้านในบูทำเพลงรู้สึกดีเมื่อตอนตื่น From the south to the north, we need to go to Tarzana to pick up the fresh fish at Miho Sushi. It's the special order. Thank you and big shout out to them. Before heading back to Specular, we're stopping by Green's Farm Market for extra fruits.
อันนี้เหมือนนี้เลย
A little bit of cucumber, avocado, radish, some garlic, some veggies, some dessert, some dance, some money, some bowl, some ingredients, some more fish, shake. The omakase that I'm serving has 4 courses: the starter or getting born, the sashimi or the being, the main course, the suffer, and the dessert, death. Will I bring this imagination to become reality? Wish me luck, wish me luck, and wish me luck. As our life, we all start and we all ends, inspired by Buddhist teaching. We had a quick meeting at Specular. Now everybody arrived.
Yeah, here Specular. Yeah, no fun cap out here, man.
นี่เจอกันมาโรนะใหญ่
สุขสันต์วันเกิด He's halfway to his life. His wife already halfway over, so we gotta.
คนไทยมาที่นี่เยอะเป็นครั้งแรกในประวัติศาสตร์ของ Specular
ต่อสุกเล็กกึ้ย
ปั้นใหญ่ปั้นสูงนะเจ้า
ขอให้น้องโอ๊คของเรานั้นสุขสำราญเหมือนดอกไม้บานยามเช้า คุณแม่โอ๊คมากๆนะครับให้กำเนิดบุคคลเช่นนี้มามีความรู้สึกยินดีมากๆที่ได้รู้จัก เมนูแรกครับ มาแล้วชิโต้เปปเปอร์ครับส่งต่อไปแบ่งกันกิน
Happy birthday to the old.
เฉพาะวันนี้เท่านั้นอ่ะ
Japanese, no?
ก็พูดอะไรกับความกินไม่ได้ความสิเว้ย
Shellfish is just a newborn fish and seaweed is also cooked brown but it's in the water. So shellfish seaweed is under the starter or being born. Enjoy.
เมจิกชุบชีวิตบ้องใหม่ดูดแล้วสะอาด
ซึ่งเปิดได้
So the sashimi, the reason I call it cat or being, it's not about being old, but being.
nice
And sashimi, you gotta catch the moment while they're fresh. No matter how you live. I say green truffle, but in Thai, it could truffle, and I just call it could truffle.
ขอไปล่าปลาเองที่ญี่ปุ่น
The rose in Thai you call idok tuna. So basically the rose represent love maybe. I don't know how people would like to do it, but I haven't bought any rose for a long time, to spread love, but it is another time, once in a while. It's a journey of your life.
was amazing. Oh god.
that one
ถ้าทำอีกครั้งต้องแบบว่าต้องเตรียมการแบบเป็นเดือนอ่ะ
Even though they're all happy, something happened. So do this happen? We all just have good food, good time together, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. Nope, I'm not gonna give up. Come on, I have more stuff in the fridge that I need to serve. Here you go. I got some rolls, I got some fancy sauce, I got some time to prep, and the lobster is now ready to be served. This menu came from imagination and the high quality left over in the fridge, and it just came out really nice.
Let's go. Go for it.
The best meal is when you're hungry. The best recipe is when you taste and improvise something. And the best time is when we eat together. Even though this fantastic menu is served, we still have leftover, but you know what? Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. No, just kidding. The best way to consume is zero waste. Leave no trace. I went to my neighbor restaurant to share the third round. Now I'm actually done. My goal was just to serve them and gather them together. Having everyone munching and laughing together is the best present in the present. This went beyond my imagination. Wish you the best. Be mindful. Thank you 2021. See you with something tasty.